do that?
It's easy with a Grosche bottle.
Oh.
Here, watch, it's quite simple. When wrapping bottles, most people like to resort to a gift bag or box, which are both great options, but definitely not necessary. Oh, thank you. You know what else is great about Grosche bottles? The gift bag.
What do you mean?
Well, every Grosche product sold provides over 50 days of safe drinking water to someone in need.
Wow, that's actually really cool.
Right? And something even cooler, with the Oasis bottle, there's a code on the bottle that shows you the family you helped when you visit the website.
Wow, I've actually learned so much today. Well, what do you think?
Why is it square?
Well, the Grosche Venice comes in a box.
Amazing.